Hi, listen, I'm Kevin.
Hey, nice to meet you.
How are you doing today?
Doing well. How are you?
Good, good. All right, so we have our 5 lesson session that you got. What are you trying to get out of these 5 lessons?
Just trying to lower my score a little bit. Right now, I'm probably sitting at about a 6 to 8 handicap.
Okay.
Wanting to get it back down to where I was last summer, about a 2 handicap.
Yeah.
I've really noticed especially over this past month, that I've had just the blow up holes,
Okay.
where I'll put one in the trees and try to just get out of it, and not good.
So instead of trying to get a bogey, you're trying to get for a par and just leads to a higher score is what you're trying to
Yeah.
get to.
I'm not a person that makes a whole lot of birdies per round, so the
Okay.
big scores really add up to affect my score a lot.
Okay.
And so just basically all around, I'd like to get better with my wedges, a little bit better with putting, and then obviously with the mid to long irons, I'd really like to get a lot
Okay.
better with.
All right, so we'll work on wedges today.